Hello everyone, I, Inderpreet Singh, Faculty of Management Studies in Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. In this lecture, I will be explaining the organization culture and behavior factor affecting implementation of strategy. Organization cultures include the shared belief, norms, and values within the organization. It sets the foundation for strategy. For a strategy within the organization to develop and be implemented successfully, it must fully align with the organization culture. There are some points which needs to be taken care of while explaining organization culture. First is flexibility and adaptability. Organizations that remain flexible are more likely to embrace change and create an environment that remains open to production and communication. This provides a model that welcomes cultural diversity and helps clarify strategy implementation. Second is stability. A stable culture, one that will systematically support strategy implementation, is one that fosters a culture of partnership, unity, teamwork, and cooperation among employees. This type of corporate culture will enhance commitment among employees and focus on productivity within the organization rather than resistance to rules and regulations or external factors that prohibit success. Third is goal unification. Flexible, strong, and unified culture will approach strategy implementation and affect implementation in a positive manner by aligning goals. Goals can become into alignment when the organization culture work to focus on productivity and getting the organization's primary mission accomplished. This may include getting product delivered to customers on time, shipping out more products than the organization's chief competitor or similar goals. Fourth is process implementation. Processes that include utilizing technology to facilitate goals attainment and the result a company is looking for when working with customers to meet their needs. While most of the time the hard problem and the needs of the organization gets met, the culture becomes neglected in the process. Fifth is cultural alignment. An organization is able to more efficiently operate in the global marketplace. Culture allows organizational leadership to work both individually and as teams to develop strategic initiative within the organization. These may include building new partnerships and re-establishing old ones to continue delivering the best possible products and services to the global market. So I hope you have understood the lecture. For more videos like this, kindly subscribe Technia TV. Thank you very much.